Welcome to this discovery series for ORYX CAD version 1.2. In this first video, we're taking the grand tour. You'll discover the philosophy behind the add-on, how to install it, where its panel lives, and its key concept, a smart panel that adapts to your selection. ORYX CAD is for everyone, a beginner just discovering 3D, or a professional who wants to move fast. Its goal is simple: to let you model with the precision of a CAD program, that is, computer-aided design, without ever leaving Blender. No more jumping between different programs. Everything happens right here. Once installed in 2 clicks, ORYX CAD appears in Blender's side panel, the one you open with the N key. Let's look at its zones, from top to bottom. First, the language, so you can use the add-on in English or in French. Next, the units, to work in millimeters or centimeters, just like on a real blueprint. Then the model zone, the heart of creation. Right below it, the suggested actions. ORYX CAD intelligently offers you the right tools for what you're doing. Next comes the printability check, which analyzes your part and tells you if it's ready for 3D printing. Then the measurements, to control every dimension down to 1/10 of a millimeter. And finally, the export of selected parts, to send your objects straight to your printer or another program. Now, the key concept. This panel is alive. With no object selected, it offers to create. With one object selected, it offers to transform. With 2 objects, it offers to assemble. 3 states, 3 families of tools, always at the right moment. And that's exactly what this series is about. 1 episode for each panel state, plus a final episode on modifying your objects at any time. You now know the big picture of ORYX CAD 1.2. In the next video, we open ORYX CAD with no object selected, and you'll discover everything you can create from scratch. See you right now in episode 2.